Ben?
Hello, this is Purple Spindle Repairs.
Yes?
So,
No.
you're not part of my job. You're not a part of Purple Spindle Repairs. I hate you.
Yes? Ben?